Hopefully you guys can hear me well. We're going to be putting air in our tires. So it's always good to check the tire pressure at least once a week. I ride every single day. So that's exactly what we're going to do. There's many ways to go about measuring how much PSI is left in your tires. I'm going to be using the Motion Pro digital pressure gauge. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. I already went ahead and removed the little cap for the front tire here. So I don't know where we're at. It's probably pretty good. I'm going to throw up an image of what the PSI for the front tire and the rear tire should be. So the front should be 29 PSI and the rear tire should be 33. I'm going to double check once we go around. So let's just see where we're at. So when you're doing this, you got to put a little bit of muscle into this. You're going to be putting this over the stem here and then just pushing inwards. All right, so let's just see what we get in our reading. All right, is the thing in the view? Oh yeah, 15 PSI. I let out a little bit of air just so I can test this out. Now there's multiple ways to put air in a tire. I'm going to show two ways. One with this compressor right here, and the second way is with this little foot pump. So if money isn't an issue, let's go ahead and test that one more time. Yeah, it's staying there at 15. All right, so this needs to be brought up to 29 PSI. Okay. When I'm at 45 PSI on this little hand pump, we're gonna stop and check. Okay, let's go ahead and see where we're at. Oh, whoops. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on again. Oh shit, hold on, let's bleed some of it out. Perfect. 29 PSI, we're done. Let's go ahead, find the little cap. And I'm tightening it up. I'm at an awkward angle. I apologize, you guys. All right, let me go ahead and plug this guy in. And we're gonna do this with the power tools. Give me 1 second. All right, the stem is right here. Luckily, I have easy access to it. I apologize for the horrible lighting, you guys. But I'm just removing the little stem cap. I'm gonna leave it right here to the side. And again, right here on the bar, or whatever the hell this is called. I can't believe I'm blanking out. Anyways, on this right here, the swing arm, I think that's what it's called, it has all the information that you need to know about the tire pressure. So the rear tire needs to be 33 PSI. We just did the front tire, it's 29. Let's see what we got. Ooh, just a hair, but you know what? Let's go ahead and bleed it out because all right. So we got 28 PSI. So you generally want to check your PSI about once a week. So after the work week for me, oh shit, I lost the cap. Oh no, where'd it go? Oh, god damn it. Dude, I'm crawling around. Dude, I'm wearing knee pads right now. kind of fruity, but you know what? My knees are... Dude, I can't believe I lost the fucking cat. I lost a goddamn cat. Oh my god, dude. This video is going horribly, guys. It is going horribly wrong. Okay, dude, this cap, like, legit just disappeared. Dude, it went into, like, some ghost dimension. Alright, here, let's move this up a little bit more. There it is. Okay, we're gonna plug in the compressor. We're gonna attach it to this guy right here. Oh no, the stem is out of the way here. Let me just move this just a little bit up more. So all I gotta do is plug this guy in right here. Let's go ahead and turn this on. It's doing its thing. I'm gonna use this Merlin tool from Harbor Freight. It basically does the exact same thing as the Motion Pro tool, except I can use this to fill it up, and if I go over, I can bleed out the air. How cool is that? By the way, wear hearing protection because this shit is fucking loud. Alrighty, guys. So, oh god, sorry. Let me get in a more comfortable position. All right, so the air compressor is done. I'm gonna go ahead and place this end right here in the stem. I'm gonna hold it down real tight, real tight. All right, I can hear it stopping. Oh, there's too much. It needs to be 33. It's at 35. Bleed it out slowly. Continuing to bleed it out slowly. 33.8. Just a hair more. We're done. All right. Basically it, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this guy off right here. When you are finished, yeah, by the way, when you're doing this, make sure that you got hearing protection on, because goddamn, this is so loud. All right, guys, and that's it. Peace.